Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 11, linear equations with one variable, section A, easy. Let's start. Solve the following expression. See, this is given to you and you have to solve it. 3x plus 1 upon 16 plus 2x minus 3 by 7 equals to x equals to 3, x plus 3 upon 8 plus 3x minus 1 upon 14. This is what you have to solve. Means you have to basically find the value of x. So start solving. What is the LCM of 16 and 7? 112. So cross multiply. 7 into 3x plus 1 plus 16 into 2x minus 3 the whole upon 112 equals to over here 8 and 14. So multiply it 14 into 8. That's easier because 112 is over here. 14 8 is 112. So it will be easier for you. So multiply this by 14 and this by 8. So 14 into x plus 3 plus 8 into 3x minus 1. Now 112 is common, so it gets cancelled. So only numerator remains now. So 7 into 3, 21x plus 7 plus 16 to the 32 minus 16 3 the 48 equals to 14x plus 14 into 3, that is 42, plus 8 3 the 24x minus 8. Okay. Now collect all x and non-x. So 21 plus 32, 43x. Keep it on the same side. 7 minus 48 minus 41, sign of the bigger one. Okay. Similarly over here, 114 plus 24, 38x plus 42 minus 8, 34. Now collect all x on one side, left hand side, and non-x on right hand side. So 43x minus 38x equals to 34 as it is, and this 41 comes on this side, so it becomes plus. So 41 plus 34. Solve this. 43 minus 38 is 5x. 41 plus 34 is 75. So x equals to, bring 5 on this side, 75 by 5, that is 15. So x equals to 15. That is the answer. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 3. If 3 is subtracted from the numerator and 2 is added to the denominator, then the new number is 1 upon 5. Therefore, the original number is. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.